Jeez. Look at this. Didn't know Joe could even write.
We got another job. Something really big. Stop by Freddy's tonight. Bring a piece and some lockpicks.
Forces have begun taking back the Pacific nation's capital from its Japanese captors. U.S. forces have completely encircled the sprawling city and are now facing a Japanese occupation force estimated to be 20,000 strong. Early reports have already indicated that this could be one of the bloodiest battles yet seen in the Pacific. More on this story as the information comes in, and hopefully, the Japanese are pushed out of Manila. For West Radio News, I'm Lowell Harris.
Hey, look who's here. Where the hell you been? Laying around in bed all day?
Hey, I'm entitled to a little rest after that last job, don't you think?
What can I get you, sir?
Coffee.
What he owes for now. Just for now. But when Alberto hears about this, the shit is gonna hit the fan. Believe you me.
So, I heard you didn't score too big last
Well,
night.
it wasn't exactly my fault. Shit happens.
All right, come on, relax, fellas. It's a high-risk business. If you don't like it, you can always go break your back working for peanuts down at the docks.
Sorry, Henry, I was just breaking balls, you know. So how about tonight? We still on for what we talked about
We'll see
yesterday?
in a minute.
That is too fucking much, too fucking many. I want my money!
What? Think I'm running some kind of fucking charity here?
Do it. Now!
Who was that?
Somebody you don't need to know right now. All right, listen up. There's a guy who owes the boss some money. He borrowed it to open some big jewelry store and he's not paying it back fast enough. We're gonna collect his payment tonight. In jewels. Plus, a little extra for our trouble. Joe, fill him in.
The jewelry store's in the shopping mall in the middle of town. There's no guards at night. So all we gotta do is pick the lock and waltz right in.
Sounds a little too simple.
Because it is simple. Why's everything gotta be so fucking complicated with you?
Says the guy who can barely change a light bulb.
Look, don't worry. I thought of everything. I got these phone company uniforms so we can pretend to be fixers something.
Fair enough. Let's go.
All right, we're gonna rob this fuck blind. All we gotta do is wait until dark. Hey, so how'd it go with the port?
What, you mean with Derek?
Yeah, he's a piece of work, ain't he? Give you a job?
Yeah. I worked some guys over. But it was small-time crap. He shakes down these hard-up dock workers just like he did my old man.
Well, you didn't have to do it. It's not like he forced you to work for him, is it?
My mother almost did.
Quit whining and keep in touch with Derek. Trust me. He's got better jobs than shaking down wharf rats. What do you got, an aversion to red lights? What the hell is this?
Come on, boys. The cops will be here any minute. Move it!
Brian fucking O'Neill?
What the fuck is this?
You crazy bastard, what the fuck are you doing?
Barbaro, what the hell are you doing here, you fuck?
You're a little late, Chief. There's nothing left here for
Fuck
you.
off, fatso. This is our heist. You want to get out of here in one piece, you'd better hand over everything you've
Well,
got.
the sign outside didn't say Brian O'Neill's place. If it did, I wouldn't have robbed it. Instead, I would have set it on fire.
1031 reported at the West Side Mall. Repeat, 1031. Burglary in
This is car
progress.
54. We're on it.
And I suggest you get lost before the cops show up.
Ah, fuck!
Kiss my ass.
Fuck out of here.
Gotta get the fuck out of
What the
here.
hell are you waiting for? Get him, lads!
Brian, what about the cops?
Come on, let's get out of here.
I'm trying!
Shit, cops. Hey, Vito, I got it open. Come on. Watch my ass while I open this door. Keep those assholes off my back. Almost got it. Pull them up just a little longer. Come on, you piece of shit. Open up. Okay, got it. We're out of here. Vito, come on.
Freeze! Police! There's no way out!
Go back. We gotta find another way out. Fuck! Shit, another dead end. We gotta go this way. It's our only shot. Come on, Vito, move your ass.
What are you, fucking crazy? It's covered in ice. One slip and we're dead.
We got no choice. I ain't going to the joint. Get your ass over here. You waiting for a formal fucking invitation?
Over there! Shoot!
Jesus, be careful. Almost lost you there.
Yeah. I think I just shit myself.
Where'd they go? They must have gone this way, Sarge. Oh, fuck that. I don't get paid enough for this.
This way. This should take us to the street. Shit! Cops!
Freeze! Police! There's no way out!
Almost got it. Hold him on just a little longer. Come on.
Hey, fuck.
Henry's never gonna believe this. Stupid bastards. Let's go.
Fuck off, copper! I didn't do nothing!
Look at the Irish, my ass.
Who the hell was that?
Brian O'Neill. Crazy Mick bastard. Not too bright. Usually works his hired muscle.
Yeah, I didn't think he was the brains of the operation. Shit, the cops. Come on, get out of the light. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on.
Don't worry. Give me a bag. I'll go ditch the goods. All right, pal. Meet you back home. Try not to get pinched on the way there.
ECLA, Empire Classic Radio, this is Bob Berriman with urgent breaking news. This just in. The West Side Mall has been rocked by violence as Empire Bay police were involved in a shootout with unidentified criminals. We do know that the criminals have been arrested, but nothing more.
Suspect is about 6 feet tall, dark hair, medium build.
As we receive it. Now,
Copy
let's
that.
get back to our regular programming on ECLA, Empire Classic Radio.
Hey there, handsome.
Hi there.
Joe ain't here right now. He said for you to meet him for lunch at Freddy's.
I see.
Too bad you were passed out when I came in. We could have partied. Maybe next time, doll. Bye.
Huh. That was something.
Stupid broad! But get the hell back here! If you can't drive, you should stay home where you belong!
Hey, isn't that Joe's girl over there? Well, one of them anyway.
You smacked up my car, I'm gonna smack up yours. Look at my fucking car!
Hey, pal, knock it off.
And who the fuck are you?
Somebody who doesn't like hearing you talk to a lady like that. So why don't you shut the fuck up and leave while I'm still in a good mood, huh?
What, is she your girlfriend or something? Well, if she's not gonna pay for it, you will.
One more word, and you're gonna need a new set of teeth. Now get the fuck out of here. That was the word.
Thanks, handsome. I owe you one. Do you want to come over to my place for a piece of pie?
Yeah, thanks, but look, I really gotta get going.
You'll like it, I promise. I gotta get going now. I'll see you around.
Delivering yet another crushing blow to the already crumbling German forces. There are reports of heavy casualties on both sides.
Hey, fellas.
Hey! Hey, Vito, this is Luca Garino.
Nice to see you.
He'd like to talk to you and Joe. Luca, this is Vito.
Good to meet you, Mr. Garino.
No need to be so formal. Call me Luca. Take a seat, Vito.
What can I get you?
Same thing I'm having. And hurry it up. I heard about you running with the mix. Great fucking story. And I want to congratulate you, too, on a job well done. Salute.
Salute.
You guys did a hell of a job. Not too many guys got the stomach for this line of work. So now, I'm wondering if yous are ready to take the next step.
Yeah, sure. What next step?
I'm talking about taking somebody out. Just 'cause someone points his finger at him and tells you to do it.
I was in the war, Mr. Guarino. All I did was kill people I was told to kill. People the president pointed his finger at.
That's good. The president. Yeah, I like that. But you're talking about the crowds, right? You know, the bad guys. That's not what I mean. Understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Good. We need guys like you. Guys who can follow orders without asking questions. You handle this next job like you handled the last one, and there's a good chance you'll be accepted into the family. After you pay the initiation fee, of course.
And how much is that?
$5 apiece.
That's a fucking fortune.
Hey, nobody said it was cheap, huh? But trust me, the benefits far outweigh the cost. I'll leave it up to you two to decide. Henry's gonna fill you in on the rest. I'll see you guys later.
There you are.
Hey, boss.
You take care of that thing we talked about yet?
Yeah, it's all under control.
That's what you
Henry's
said the last time. Don't disappoint me again.
Boss,
Don't. Now come with me. We got some other business to discuss.
So, Henry, what kind of job we talking about here?
I gotta take a guy out. It's my contract, but I need
Thanks.
some help. That's where you two come in.
Who's the lucky guy?
Some fat fuck from across the river. The guy's been warned, but he thinks he's untouchable.
And is he?
Well, somebody tried to take him out once before.
And?
Let's just say they slightly underestimated him.
How much is slightly?
Fatally.
That's a fancy way of saying they're dead, right?
Hey, they fucked up. We won't. I rented an apartment across the street from his business. We'll sit there and we'll wait till that fat fuck shows up, and then boom! We blast his ass.
How are we gonna do that?
With an MG-42.
Where are we getting an MG-42 from?
Harry.
Yeah.
He's a vet, like you. He's got a private little gun shop over in Kingston. You can get you anything from a pea shooter to a bazooka. And you don't need no fucking gun license, neither.
Okay, Joe and me will go to the apartment. You go pick up the machine gun at Harry's shop in Kingston. It's all paid for. Just tell him I sent you. After that, meet us at the apartment. It's in Sand Island. The building across from the distillery. Apartment 233.
Okay, apartment 233. Got it. I'll meet you fellas there in a bit.
All right, I'll see you later.
Good luck, pal.
Yeah, so long, buddy.
I think you'll find the quality is well worth the price. Here you go. Enjoy your purchase, sir.
Excuse me.
Who's there?
Henry Tomasino sent me to pick up the stuff he ordered.
Come on in.
Hello?
So, you're the guy Henry was telling me about, huh?
Yeah. You got his merchandise?
Yeah, well, here it is. MG42, made in Germany. Hitler's buzzsaw, we call them. She's a beauty. 25 pounds, 7.92 caliber, 1,200 rounds per minute, fastest in the world. 250 round belt, 3/4 of a mile effective range, and extremely reliable. I don't know what the hell you're hunting, but unless it's in a fucking tank, sayonara, baby. Hey, you need me to show you how to use it?
No, thanks. I'm familiar with him. I was in the service too.
No shit! Wait, you kidding me? Where were you? What was it, Normandy, huh? No, Africa? Let me guess.
Operation Husky.
Yeah? What unit were you in?
504th Parachute.
No shit, you were a paratrooper? That was kinda hairy, I heard.
Yeah, well, it wasn't no picnic, I tell you. I got hit, so they sent me home.
Yeah, any medals?
Yeah, Purple Heart and a DSC.
Whoa, wait, you got a cross? Let me tell you, they don't give those babies out for nothing. I was in Normandy. We hit Utah Beach. That wasn't no picnic neither, but... When I was crawling over the fence on the way back, I poked my eye out on a fucking tree branch. Well, hey, it was good enough for a discharge.
Look, I really gotta get going.
All right. Hey, by the way, I'm Harry.
Hey, Vito.
Hey, good to meet you, Vito. Real good. If you ever need some hardware, you know where to find me. Yeah. There you go. I hope you drove here. She's a big girl. Good luck.
Hey, thanks. Nice to meet you, Harry.
The gun's in the crate, and there's a couple thousand rounds in the van out in the yard. Take it. It's all paid for. See you around, Vito.
Where you from, Henry?
Sicily.
What brought you to the States?
Mussolini.
We buy you a ticket.
Don't be a smart-ass, Joe. My father was a man of honor. Things got pretty bad for us after Mussolini came into power. My old man figured I'd either get drafted or locked up, so he sent me to America and got me a job working for Pimenti.
So what happened to your father?
He said he was too old to make the trip. Mussolini had him arrested, and he died in jail. They won't even turn his body over for a proper burial.
That's rough.
So how's your English so good?
They're coming. Those black cars. Vito, aim for the fat bastard. We gotta nail him before he gets in the building. Get ready.
All right, I'm on it.
They got
All right,
guns!
showtime.
They got guns! Up there in that window!
That's him, Vito. Waste that fat fuck.
We got them all! Stop shooting that fucking thing or go death over here!
Come on, let's kick the shit out of this.
Showtime, Vito. I'll have you moving.
We ain't got a chance.
You're fucking dead!
That's okay. Now don't pin down.
Oh, that's the best you
Kick
got?
the shit out of this guy. Come on, let's get this going. Hurry, tell us everybody all right.
I'm the best.
Come on, you bastard. Come on, you fucker.
Move it, Vito. We can't let that fat bastard get away.
Okay, you first, Vito. You're the fucking war hero.
Go, we'll cover you.
We're coming for you, Porky. Going in. I'll cover you, move it. All right, Vito, here we go. Oh, fuck! Watch out! Back me up, Vito. I'll cover you, move it. You're fucking dead! God damn it, now this whole fucking place is gonna burn to the ground. What a waste of booze. Come on, let's go! Chop chop! All right, showtime, Vito. Is that the fucking best you got? Oh, you're in trouble. Vito, come on, huh? We gotta move. Knock me up, Vito. What are you scared, asshole? Oh no! No! Stay sharp, Vito. Oh no! That's the fucking best you got. Oh, you're in trouble. Come on, let's go! Chop chop! Oh, enough.
Stay where you are!
All right, Vito, go! All right, showtime, Vito. Okay, hit the button, Vito.
What the hell are you doing, Joe?
What? I'm thirsty. Pretty good stuff. You should try it.
Drinking on the job, huh? When'd you turn Irish?
Here they come!
Shit, they got Tommies!
All right, Vito, here we go.
Shit, there's an army of them!
Vito,
Go, do something! They just fucking sit here!
What the fuck do you expect me to do? They're shooting at me, for Christ's sake! Vito, do something! You're the expert here! I got you covered, Vito. Move! What are you scared, asshole? Come on, Porky's upstairs.
You better do better than that, Diego. Are you hiding, you little...
Don't kill me! Please! I got a wife!
You should have thought about your wife
I'll do
before.
anything you want! Just don't kill me! Oh, for Christ's sake!
Don Clemente sends his regards. Oh! Fuck!
Fuck you! Sorry, you... Henry, you okay? Where'd he hit?
Of course I'm not fucking okay. He shot me in the fucking leg! God.
Oh, yeah, it's bleeding all
Son
over
of
the
a...
place.
Get me to El Greco.
The fucking painter?
No, the fucking doctor, you
Take it
idiot.
easy. We're gonna get you there in a minute.
The Greek guy lives up in
All right,
Highbrook.
let's get you to the car.
Oh, Marona, you're heavier than you look.
Fat fuck. He almost shot my balls off.
Take it easy. You missed him by a mile.
Hey, careful. This fucking hurts.
Yeah, well,
No,
you can walk if you don't quit your moaning.
I don't want to die. Hey, I don't need to get pissy. Leave that to him.
Fuck. This whole fucking place is coming apart.
Damn it, I knew it. This is my 13th contract.
That hurts. Fire spread.
You fucking bastard.
Oh, damn smoke.
Shit!
All right. Oh, God.
Oh, fuck.
If I don't make it,
Hey, don't go saying that, pal. It's just a scratch. The doc will give you a few stitches, and then we'll all go out and celebrate.
no, really.
Shh, you shouldn't talk right now. Helps conserve your strength. I seen that in a movie once.
Yeah? And what happened to the guy in the movie?
He died.
Nah.
In pursuit of armed suspect. We're taking him down. Copy that.
Vito, come on. Can't this thing go any faster?
Going as fast as I can, damn it.
Well, it ain't fast enough.
Just relax, would you?
I got a hole in my leg the size of a fucking golf ball, and you're telling me to relax? Just get me to El Greco, damn it.
So, fellas, who is this guy?
What guy?
This guy we're taking Henry to.
El Greco? He's a doctor. Throw him a couple of bucks, he patches you up. No questions asked.
He's the guy you go see when you can't go to the hospital, genius.
Why the hell wouldn't you be able to go to the hospital?
Because you go to the hospital with a bullet in you, first thing they do is call the cops.
Yeah. So El Greco deals with a lot of guys in our line of work.
You shouldn't need to visit him, though, Vito. You've always been a quick healer. Must be your diet. Jesus, you drive like my fucking grandmother. Hey, Henry, you awake? Stay with me now.
Yeah.
Just hang in there, pal. We'll be at El Greco's in a minute. I can smell the souvlaki from here. Hey, Vito, step on it. Henry's sweating like a whore in church back here.
You know what would make me drive faster? You stade zitto.
Vito, there. That house. Park right in front.
You El Greco the doctor?
No, I'm the fucking painter.
A friend needs help or he's gonna bleed to death.
Thanks, Doc.
Good God, Henry.
We owe you one.
Get him inside. Hello, though.
Wait. I got money for you. For the job. Take it.
You know this could have waited. But thanks.
And hey, thanks for everything.
Hope you'll be okay.
Yeah. Me too.
I'll stay here with Henry. Meet me in my place.
All right.
Possible grand theft auto. 10-4. Vehicle theft in progress. In pursuit of suspect. Roger that. Suspect is about 6 feet tall, average size. 10-4.
Vito, hey, how you doing?
No. I just wanted to give you the money to pay off Papa's debt.
Oh, Vito, that's great. I was gonna try and see if we could pay it back in installments. I got a little money. He wouldn't have hurt us.
Don't be so sure, but it doesn't matter now. Here, take
Where'd
it.
you get all this money, Vito? You haven't done nothing you'll be sorry for, have you?
Don't worry, everything's fine.
Thank you, Vito. Thank
No
you.
problem. All right, look, I better be going. I don't want Ma to see me. She'll be asking where I got the money, too.
Don't worry, I'll make something up.
All right. Give her a big kiss for
I
me,
will.
okay?
Take care of yourself, Vito.
Hey, ma, where do you stand, huh?
If you like what you see, let me know. Anything else I can do for you? Enjoy your...
DLT Delta Radio. I'm Walt Williams as we check the news. The Price administration robbery story has some new developments. Police are very interested in talking to a medium build, medium height, dark-haired man who's been linked to the crime by several eyewitnesses. If you have any information on this person, contact the authorities immediately. Why, that description could be me. Oh, they're gonna need all the help they can get. For EDLT, this is Walt Williams.